Sweden allows close relatives of people living legally in Sweden to join them. This policy is designed to ensure that families can stay together and support each other, which is a fundamental value in Swedish society. Whether you're a spouse, partner, or child under 18, you have the opportunity to reunite with your loved ones in this beautiful country. This is called family reunification. It is a process that acknowledges the importance of family bonds and the emotional well-being of individuals. By allowing families to reunite, Sweden promotes a supportive and cohesive community. It means spouses, partners, and children under 18 can apply to live in Sweden too. This opportunity is not just about living together, it's about building a life together in a country that values family unity. The application process might seem daunting, but it is designed to be as straightforward as possible to facilitate the reunion of families. This visa helps families stay together. It provides a legal pathway for families to be reunited and to thrive together in a new environment. The emotional and psychological benefits of being with family cannot be overstated, and this visa is a testament to that. This guide explains the rules and how to apply. It will walk you through each step of the process, from gathering necessary documents to submitting your application. Understanding these steps is crucial for a smooth and successful application. This process is important for anyone who wants to bring their family to Sweden. It ensures that you are well prepared and informed about what is required. Being thorough and attentive to detail can make a significant difference in the outcome of your application. Understanding the steps is key to a successful application. Each step has its own set of requirements and deadlines, and being aware of these can help you avoid common pitfalls. Preparation and knowledge are your best tools in this process. We will cover everything you need to know. From eligibility criteria to the documentation required, this guide aims to provide comprehensive information to help you navigate the family reunification process with confidence. This guide is for informational purposes only. While it provides a detailed overview, it is always best to consult with official Swedish authorities for the most current and accurate information. Always check with official Swedish authorities for the latest rules and requirements. Policies and procedures can change, and staying informed will help ensure that your application is up to date and complete. Not everyone can get a family reunification visa. The process is quite specific and has stringent requirements to ensure that only eligible individuals can apply. The applicant must be a close relative of someone already in Sweden. This means that the family connection must be strong and verifiable. This includes spouses, cohabiting partners, registered partners, and children under 18 years old. These categories are designed to prioritize immediate family members. Both partners must be at least 21 years old to sponsor a spouse or partner. This age requirement is in place to ensure that both individuals are mature enough to handle the responsibilities that come with such a significant life change. There are some exceptions to this rule. For instance, if the couple has children together, they might not need to be 21. This exception acknowledges the importance of keeping families with children united. For example, if the couple has children together, they might not need to be 21. This exception acknowledges the importance of keeping families with children united. The person already in Sweden is called the sponsor. The sponsor plays a crucial role in the application process and must meet specific criteria to be eligible. They must meet certain requirements to bring their family over. These requirements often include having a stable income, adequate housing, and the ability to support their family members financially. We'll discuss those requirements in a later section. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the specifics of what it takes to successfully apply for a family reunification visa in Sweden. Sweden wants to make sure family relationships are genuine. This prevents people from abusing the system to enter the country. You must prove your relationship is real and not just for the visa. Marriage certificates are the most common proof for married couples, but you need more than just a document. You need to show you have a life together. Photos, letters, and messages can show your relationship history. Swedish authorities might also ask questions about your life together. Be prepared to talk about how you met, your daily routines, and your future plans. Section 4. Supporting your family in Sweden. Sweden wants to ensure sponsors can support their families. This is crucial for maintaining a stable and happy life for everyone involved. The Swedish government has set specific guidelines to make sure that families can thrive without financial stress. This means having enough money and a place to live. It's not just about having a roof over your head, but ensuring that the living conditions are suitable for a healthy and comfortable lifestyle. The sponsor must prove they can meet these requirements. This involves providing detailed financial documents and other necessary paperwork to demonstrate their capability. The sponsor needs a steady income. This income can come from various sources, such as employment, self-employment, or even investments. The key is to show a consistent and reliable flow of money. This can be from a job, a pension, or savings. For retirees, pension documents can serve as proof of income. For others, bank statements and employment contracts are essential. They must earn enough to support themselves, their family in Sweden, and the family members coming to join them. Housing is also important. The cost of living in Sweden can be high, so it's crucial to budget accordingly. The sponsor must have a big enough place for everyone to live comfortably. This means considering the number of bedrooms, the size of common areas, and the overall living environment. A small apartment might be enough for a couple. However, it's important to think about future needs, especially if the family plans to grow. But a family with children needs more space. Children need room to play, study, and grow. Therefore, a larger living space is often necessary to accommodate their needs and ensure a harmonious family life. Section 5. Starting your application. Once you have all the necessary documents, you can apply. The application process can be done online or on paper. The online application is usually faster and easier. The sponsor usually starts the application process in Sweden. They fill out the forms and provide their information first. The applicant then completes their part of the application. They will need to provide their information and upload supporting documents. Make sure you keep copies of everything you submit. Section 6. Waiting for a decision. After you submit your application, the waiting begins. The processing time varies depending on the case. It can take several months or even over a year. Be patient and wait for the Swedish authorities to contact you. During the processing time, the Swedish authorities might ask for more information. They might also want to interview you. Be prepared to answer their questions honestly and thoroughly. Section 7. Special cases and further help. There are some exceptions to the rules. For example, refugees might not need to meet the income requirement. This is because they are fleeing difficult situations and need protection. If you have questions or need help, contact the Swedish Migration Agency. They have information in multiple languages. You can also seek help from immigration lawyers or non-profit organizations. Remember, this is just a guide. Rules and procedures can change, so always check the latest information on the official website. Good luck with your application. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful guides.